Mr. Chairman, parang kailan po ninyo nabigyan na-release yung invitation po sa mga agencies?
May we ask the COMSEC, kung di po ako nagkakamali, ay Thursday.
Mr.
Thursday.
Chair,
Ito yung na-release natin sa
Thursday,
kanila.
last
Yes.
week?
Yes, last week.
Last week. So that's why I noticed most of the invited guests, like the Department of Finance, the BIR, so forth and so on, dumating po sila dito prepared. But unfortunately for the Bureau of Customs, aside from the fact na wala po yung kanilang commissioner, wala po silang presentation. So it seems that they are not prepared despite the 1 week or more than 5 days of invitation. So maybe that is precisely the reason kung bakit tayo nalulusutan ng mga smuggling. Ang yung simpleng ganito, parang hindi po nila napaghandaan. Kaya po meron tayong pinag-uusapan ngayon tungkol dito sa mga smuggling. So, yun lang po yung aking na-notice, Mr. Chairman. Parang dumating, wala man lamang na i-present sa atin. And considering na sila yung pinaka-agency, concern agency, subject dito po sa ating topic ngayon. That's only my observation, Mr. Chairman.